United Nations report suggests that the ongoing crisis is likely to widen the poverty gap between men and women. By 2021, nearly 47 million women will be pushed to live impoverished lives due to the economic fallouts due to COVID-19. The report summarizes the data, the research and the policy work produced by UN Women on the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on women across the world, including how it is affecting employment, health, unpaid care and violence against women. The head of United Nations Women said in a statement that the increase in women's extreme poverty is a stark indictment of the deep flaws in the ways we have constructed our societies and economies. Women have lost their jobs at a faster rate as compared to men during the COVID-19 health crisis. Nearly 25% of the self-employed women in Europe and Central Asia have reported job losses compared to 21% self-employed men. Women's employment is at 19% more risk compared to men. The UN report has claimed that around 435 million women will be pushed to live on less than $1.90 a day by 2021. Income fell by nearly 60% for women working in the informal sectors. Not only the economic burden, the pandemic has significantly impacted healthcare facilities for women as well. The shift of funds towards the COVID-19 response has hampered women's access to sexual and reproductive health during the crisis. The data also suggests that poor and marginalized communities are more vulnerable to COVID-19. Data from New York City showing significantly higher COVID-19 death rates among Black and Latin people as compared to white and Asians. In the UK, data from England and Wales showing similar disparities by sex, race and ethnicity parameters. In Brazil, the maternal death rate due to COVID-19 has risen 2 times higher when it comes to Black women as compared to white women. On the other hand, the COVID-19 pandemic has worsened and intensified cases of domestic violence around the world. Those figures have been making headlines. Reports say that differently abled women have twice as more chances of experiencing violence from partners and family members than women without these challenges. They also have encountered incidents of sexual violence more than women without these challenges. Many countries have reported a rise in domestic violence cases during the lockdown. In Tunisia, calls to have dedicated helplines in the initial days of the confinement increased 5-fold. However, other countries have seen a drop in the figures, suggesting that some women face barriers in reporting violence or seeking help. Meanwhile, experts have suggested measures to restore parity in the poverty gap. A policy simulation analysis from the International Futures Model estimates that over 100 million women and girls could be lifted out of poverty if the governments implement a comprehensive strategy to improve access to education and family planning, equal wages, and expanding social transfers.